So we first start by initializing our variables. Alt distance is set to the max float value, and new distance is set to 0. The reason alt distance is set to float max is because this is essentially a find the smallest element in an array kind of algorithm. It's very similar to that implementation. We then loop through all the entities in the game and check if the entity exists and is on a different team than our local player. And then for each valid entity, we calculate the angle to that entity from the local player's position to determine the angular distance between where the player is currently aiming and where they would need to aim to hit this entity. In other words, how much they need to move their crosshair. And then if this distance is smaller than the old distance, we update old distance to this new, smaller value, and then we set this entity as a new target. And then after checking all the entities, we return the target with the smallest angular distance.